guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn your notifications on. Today's unit we're working with is from Hairsmarket. I did go ahead and pick up a straight unit from them, a straight hair unit from them. It's a 13x4 lace front wig, and like I said, it's straight hair. Check the description section for all information that I don't mention about the unit, like the length. I don't have that on hand, but I think it's 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. But please check the description section below. All information will be there. This hair is in its natural color, so it's like a 2. It's not a jet black or off black. It's like a natural brown color. This is the construction of the unit. It does come with 3 combs in total, one on the side of the unit, one opposite of each other on the unit, and then there is a comb at the nape, as you guys can see here, along with the drawstring. Alright guys, so this is what the unit is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the hairline before I alter it. This hair has not been washed, conditioned, or shampooed. This is what the unit looks like straight out of the box. And when I say washed, conditioned, or shampooed, I meant on my end, because this hair actually came out the box smelling really good. So I don't know what conditioner they use or shampoo, but it smelled really good. Y'all got to tell me the tea. Okay, but this is what the unit looks like after I actually put foundation on it and I went in and plugged the hairline. Y'all know I like to be a little bit extra with my hairlines. It just depends on what you like and your personal preference. I love to just be a little bit extra. But now I'm just cutting off the lace. You can use whatever you like to cut off the lace, but I would advise you to make sure you are not cutting straight lines, because it's not cute and it's not going to blend very well in your forehead or your hairline, wherever you're sticking the hair at. It's not going to blend very well. So make it like a first grader cutting. You know, they do all types of sloppy lines. That's what you want. That's the goal here. Alright, so today I'm using my 𝚬𝚜 hairspray. Please do not mind the dirt and the crust and the embarrassing hair. Okay, my hair is dirty and it's filthy, and I'm gonna handle that this weekend. But for right now, we're gonna cover up, we're gonna put a wig on it, and nobody can tell me that my hair is dirty because they can't see it. So boom, period. I'm using 𝚬𝚜 hairspray to install my unit today. For those of you who are new to the installing wig game, 𝚬𝚜 is a hairspray. It's a strong holding hairspray. It is not bonding glue. I don't know why people get that confused with the ghost bond and stuff like this. This is nowhere near that. Okay, it's just a strong hairspray. It can be removed with water. If you guys are a heavy sweater, I'm telling you, your wig's gonna slide right on off. So 𝚬𝚜 is not good for the summer if you sweat. If you don't sweat, sis, you good. But yeah, anyway, like I said, it's not waterproof. It comes right off with water or alcohol. So anyway, that is how I am securing down my unit. When I do blow dry it, I put my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and I dry it until it's tacky, and you just touch the hairline to see it is tacky. Once it's tacky, hold your lace down very, very tight. Pull it as tight as you can get it, and you can use your fingers or a comb to push down the lace. And yeah, that is pretty much how I install it. I know you cannot get everything on the first try. I don't get everything on the first try, and don't think it's supposed to be perfect. Okay, you guys can see here, like, this look lopsided and crooked. That's the whole point, because y'all know realistically our hairline is not straight across. It's not perfect. So don't aim for perfection, because there's no such thing as perfect, number 1, and number 2, it's not realistic. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and let this melt a little bit more, and now is when I use hot heat. Okay, I use hot heat since I don't have a hooded dryer, which I need to get, but I use hot heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I let that sit, and then I take it back off. And now I'm gonna put my keratin silk infusion from Chi into my hair. I love to get into my hairline before I actually start doing my baby hairs. I feel like when you use your hot comb, it just makes everything lay down nice and flat, and it just makes my baby hairs have a lot of texture, and it just looks bomb. Okay, I don't like doing my baby hairs first because it's just weird, and it's got hairspray in it, and it's like supposed to say it's place, so I love to do it before. So I always make my part just so when I'm making my baby hairs, I have like a guideline. So if you don't really know where to start and where you want to place them, I would just say start with a middle part, or if you're doing a side part, do it like that. Just have a guideline so you know where your baby hairs are going. So lately I have been doing this new technique where I'm using less and less strands of baby hairs so I can have that, you know, natural laid look. Sometimes I get carried away and, you know, do big swoops and it looks very, very dramatic, but some days I want to go very, very lightweight. But yeah, I just pulls less strands of hair out and cut at an angle. I know that works for me. I know a lot of people have different ways of doing their baby hairs, but this is just pretty much this is what pretty much works for me. And I feel like it's just easier this way, if that makes sense. So I'll let you guys watch because it's not a baby hair tutorial. So we have done both sides, and I just love this unit. Okay, this hairline on this look at this goodness right here. Yes, this. Okay, I feel like it's beautiful. Now I did say I was going a little bit natural after I watched the clip again. These baby hairs got a little bit out of hand, it got a little bit dramatic, but it's still okay. It's okay. Now I'm just using a wax stick to lay down the hair. Wax stick helps with flyaways. I also use my Sleek and Shine by Garnier. That is a great way as well to keep your baby hairs laid down. So yeah, I've been rocking the middle part lately. If you guys haven't noticed, side parts are my signature, but I've been really, really loving middle parts for the most part. But this hot comb has been sold out on Amazon, and I was so mad because like I was just trying to have one for backup. Like, how did they not know? Like, come on now, they sold out. Like, what are you doing, Amazon? Get these back in stock. Like, that was the best $20 I spent. So like I said, this is a straight hair unit, but I did decide to curl it because I don't know. I want to know that my hair can be versatile. Okay, you know, when people do straight hair, yes, we know that straight hair is straight, but can we curl it? Can we, you know, do other things with it? And I'm just been about showing you guys is that a word? Let me stop. I've just been all about how to show you guys to make your units versatile. You don't have to wear it in that specific style just because it says straight. So this is why we're going in today and, you know, doing some back curls. Now, like I said, this hair has been straight out the package in this state. I have not washed it, conditioned it, or anything like that. During this whole process, I did not have any problems with this unit tangling up on me. I did have minor shedding, which is expected from any type of virgin hair you're gonna get. If your head don't shed, I don't know what that is, because it ain't hair. Okay. So yeah, I don't really have any cons with this unit. I really, really enjoyed working with this unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I said all information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you guys like. Also, let me know if you guys want me to try different styles. I know I haven't tried like half up and half downs and stuff like that, but let me know what you guys think. I really think it turned out beautiful. So yeah, until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys.